a new light and dark mode switcher module in PowerToys, and more. All of this in this episode of Developer News for the calendar week 42. PowerToys version 0.95 comes with a new module called LightSwitch. It enables automatic switching between light and dark mode based on a fixed schedule or based on your local sunset and sunrise time. You can also set a shortcut to quickly switch between light and dark mode. Command palette is now faster. Several improvements were made under the hood, so results now appear up to 6 times quicker than before. PowerToys Peak can now be activated by just hitting the spacebar. Setting a whole shortcut is no longer needed. This was a highly requested feature from the community, so it's nice to see that it's now here. A lot of other nice changes were also introduced in this release. You can read the changelog that are linked down in the description. Microsoft Edit, the new command line editor for Windows, is now bundled with the Windows installation itself. This change is currently being rolled out. On Github, AI-generated commit messages are now generally available. These generated messages appear directly in the commit name field. For GitHub Copilot, Grok Fast 1 and Anthropic's Claude Haiku 4.5 are now available in the model selector. The GitHub MCP server now supports working with GitHub projects, like setting a specific issue as a to-do or as completed. There is one last thing in the ticker. .NET released .NET 10 Release Candidate version 2. This version comes with several improvements for .NET MAUI and the Entity Framework core. That's already it. It was a sparse week of developer news, and see you next week.